Hi friends, I wanted to do this video. I haven't done a Newfrog online video here yet. I thought I'd do it with my phone because I think the quality will be better than my webcam. So here is what the Newfrog looks like when you're on the 5D diamond painting. So I have my name up here. I've had placed orders, ordered some of my own as well as them shipping for reviews. But I want to let you know that. So let's see if I can do my orders. Okay, I have a few orders here. I got a couple more. I actually have an order of 4, but I'm not going to go clicking on my personal stuff too much here, but I just want to share that with you. That I do have orders. I have my points. You get points, rewards for your orders, and it just takes more off your what you ordered here. You have your address book, which I'm not going to click. My wish list. I'm going to click on that. So here is my wish list, and I'm thinking about getting a laser printer here. Is that what's called? The 3D laser printer. But I have a few other things I'm going to order first just to see how that works out with mechanics and that kind of thing, electronics and all that kind of thing. But I think I've so far had a pretty good experience with Newfrog. My first order did take a while, but it was held up in my end on Canada, well, in my country's end. So here are some diamond paintings I have for gift ideas and different things here. This one is, I love this shape. And it's a couple holding hands, and I believe this one would make a really nice journal cover, so I'm going to test that out. I have one that I've worked on that is the nice shape where it's this way longer here, this way, and make a perfect journal cover. So this one here, I think would make perfect journal covers. This one here, so I have those saved for that reason. These ones here, this is going to be a gift for my daughters. I love the characters for myself, so this is mine. One I'm gonna order. I've already got Deadpool and Superman, so I'm gonna be working on those real soon, and I'll have videos up. Everything looks great on those, so I'm really happy. I have this is my wish list here so far. This is gonna be for my son. I want to try these 3D pens out, and these are the next things I'm going to order and see how the quality is and how they work. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to slowly work my way up in orders and see if I like the products. They're coming from different places, different countries in the East, Far East, like in China and all that. So I want to check it out. So here's some things that I have on my wish list because I have different 3D printers and things listed. Here is a pen, and actually this is for the bigger 3D printer, but this here is to hold my pen up. Here's another one. Oh no, this one's for this one here. Anyways, mixing you up, but I've got 3 different pens that I want to try out, so that's going to be on my wish list. And I have 3 girls, so we'll all be using them, so hopefully they'll be working great, and then I can move up to something a little bit more like these 3D printers. So I'm looking into that. Here is some sculpting clay things, so I'm looking into that because I want to do some busts of my favorite characters. You guys know I love my comic characters, so I'm going to do some busts of that. Here's this is going to be my Doctor Who journal, so I'm going to order this one to do that with. Anyway, that's my wish list. So I have lots of things I want to play with. I am a crafter that does everything, so my taste go like everywhere. Let's go to the 3D. Oh, they have so many things. Let's go to the, see if I can get to the 3D paintings. I'm not sure why. Double click? I don't know. I don't know. Do I know how to use this? Maybe not. Go to new rivals. So they have everything from like just electronics. This is like a little for your little speaker sound kit and that kind of thing. They have everything, which is nice gift ideas. rolling pins, which really are coming in. I see a lot of people have these roller pins, different ones, different things, and they do have different shapes and snowflakes and stuff I've seen. So I'm gonna go to the paintings here, the diamond paintings, and show you guys all of these. Not all of them, because we'll be here forever. But a lot of these are just so beautiful, and I see them on other different sites as well. So I'm guessing that everyone kind of gets them at the same place. So far, I've only had one painting that I have difficulties with the drills being, or the diamonds being, have a film on them, out of 4 paintings that I've ordered so far. So I'm hoping, you know, I think that's pretty good. Some people do have to wash the diamonds off. I've been using baby powder, which is really great. I used something else before. I used like baking soda, not thinking how large the grains on that were. So that was a bit of a pain, but baby powder actually works really, really nice. Just a little sprinkle to get some of that, soak up some of that residue. This is going to be a nice one. This would be a really nice kitchen one with the spices and stuff for the wall in the kitchen area, dining room, really pretty. You can make a little cookbook journal, keep your recipes. I might get that. Put that on my wish list. So I convinced myself. They have so many different things in this site. Let's look at this die cuts. They have die cuts, which I do want to order some die cuts. So here's some die cuts, and I've seen some different ones. I'm just gotta get back into more paper crafts for that. But they do have some really nice die cuts and that kind of thing. Oh, this is something I should actually put on my wish list. This. I might have to put this on my wish list. I'm gonna do that. Where's my little heart? My like. I gotta make some clothing for cosplay for my girls. Did I do my like? Oh, no. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. They have recommended for you. So they have whatever you kind of click on, they have suggestions. But they have everything, so I'm hoping that to try some of their craft stuff up. Oh, look at this, an LED. What is this? This is for drawing. That would be perfect for Kendra when she does a character and she wants to just keep drawing the same character. I'm gonna keep that on my like list, although there's 0 likes on that. But hey, who knows? We'll see. I'm gonna check it out. I'll go back and look at the quality and all that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna read it all out now, so let's see what's on new arrivals. Anyway, I kind of like this whole thing. It's kind of like Amazon or anything else that I'm thinking. Just as different. Comes from a different company or whatever. So these are the products. I never even looked at shoes and bags. Let's look at that. I don't think I would. I'm personally not into buying things like that over. Things like this I have to actually see and try on. I'm not into buying clothing and things over line, but it might be something somebody likes, because these are some of the cute things here. Little bunny bags. But let's see, kids bags. Just looking, guys. Cute. So my big thing here that I really like is the diamond painting. Let's see. Oh, I could go right here. 3D. And I do love the other things, die cuts and that kind of thing. The clips also too. I got the clips from here. They're plastic clips, so I'm gonna do a project with that, and I don't want to say too much about that project because I don't want to give it away yet. But I thought it'd be really cute to use on different things, jewelry and journals. So I'm gonna be using that for some fun little things. I kind of gave it away, but not so much. Oh, am I on 3D Diamond? No, I'm not. Did I click on something? So this is my whole thing here. Let's see if I have a custom review, because I put my own review on the things I've received. I could also send a coupon out, which actually I think I have to click on something else here. Let's see if I can go to my coupon. See, I was looking at this and I can use a coupon. I think I used it already. No, I haven't. But I could also used coupon, no. Send one, so I can give a coupon to you guys and send it on my Facebook, which is, or on my Twitter, and I'll go like this. Share it on my Twitter just for fun, because I just shared one on my Facebook recently. So, but that'd be the same thing. You just go to Facebook for me and share that. So you guys could check my wall here for the coupon for anything I think on Newfrog. Do we check my wish list? There's my wish list. So I could just go on here and pick a few things at a time, because I'm limited on what I can spend. So then I just pick my top things and go from there. So I like that. I mean, I've been on and off this thing for a few times here, and it keeps track of everything, so it's great. So far I really enjoy the products at Newfrog. Like I said, I have one diamond painting that was, I'm just clicking on things now, that had the residue, and I wasn't just too happy with having to deal with, but that was 1 out of 4 so far. And I have some more coming in, more items and craft items coming in. So, and I cannot wait to get the orders I ordered for Christmas, because I'm going to give a few away, and I'll be opening the ones that are mine for you guys, and just showing you guys the package of the ones I'm giving away. So that is my Newfrog. I guess it's like an account kind of a thing that you get when you're like searching. And what's this? New user zone. I never clicked on that. Searching on here. Oh, look at that. You get money. Oof. Money off on some items here. That's really cool. There's so much different things to play with and to look at. I guess it's another competitive company that can send you things. And ooh, look at this. Camera, waterproof, sports, cool. So I could just be shopping here forever, guys. But I think I'm gonna let you guys go on that. Nope. So yeah. Oh, that's what I went on before, is 3D printers. If I go diamond painting. Another thing too I found is if I am on my phone and I am on here, all I do is screenshot what I want, and then so I'm going to show you here on Mickey Mouse. Minnie and Mickey Mouse. So I'm on my phone, and I have this on my phone, and I screenshot this. All I have to do is punch the SKU number up when I come onto my computer, and just copy the screenshot and just punch it up here, and then whatever I screenshot that I like, so I don't have to flip through all these pages to find the ones I like, because there's a lot of pages. I just keep my snapshot of the SKU and the picture of what I like. Easy. And then I just add it up here.